We're ePOS Hybrid, and we're back. After oversubscribing our first ever fundraising campaign, we're back with our second investment opportunity to give those who originally missed out a chance to join us in the latest technology revolution.
What's changed since the last funding round? Well, a lot. We showed the pandemic who is boss. While businesses are closing their doors and laying off the staff, we were busy increasing our customer base by 400%. And our platform volume transactions gone up by 2000%, processing well over 90 million pounds through our platform. 6.6 million customers bought an item using our platform.
We launched our very own payment product, so it's super simple for our businesses to take payment. We launched an interactive website builder, fully loaded with online ordering and payment functionality, allowing customers to sign up and begin taking orders instantly. We've expanded our range of digital ordering products. We've automated our full customer sign-up and made all of our products plug and play. We also launched an MVP in India. Pretty cool, right? And the best part? We're just getting started.
The problems hospitality operators are facing are worse than ever, and they need our help. Restaurants and food and delivery outlets are still trying to recover from the effects of COVID, but now they are battling with skyrocketing operational costs, staff shortages, as well as the dominant third-party delivery platform who charge up to 35% of their revenues as commission. As a result, businesses are turning to different tech providers to find a solution.
But there's a problem with this. They're using multiple different providers in different areas of the business. One for ePOS, one for online ordering, a different provider for staff management, a third for table reservations. Multiple dashboards, multiple data sets, unreconciled reports, and increased costs. Ah!
That's where we come in. It is simple. We give our clients a single dashboard and they can choose the areas what they want to automate and control. Increase service speed and create new sales channels to increase the revenue. We can do that. Automate customer ordering.
You have a new order.
Automate kitchen management. We can do that too.
Automate home deliveries and track drivers in real time. We've got that covered.
Take online or in-person payments. You guessed it right. That's included too.
Through our single platform, our customers can manage every single operational area of their business. Point of sale, stock management, table reservations, digital ordering, and even staff management. We're delivering affordable, plug-and-play products to help our customers overcome their challenges and take back control of their businesses.
And we're ready to initiate our hyper growth by rolling out our technology to businesses around the world. We have totally automated our client onboarding, meaning anyone can order and set up any of our products within hours, eliminating the need of lengthy and annoying sales calls, perfectly setting us up for rapid hyper growth within the UK and beyond. Our brand new multi-location product is just launched, and this will allow us to begin working with large enterprises which bring us increased revenues. We have been trialing our products in India over the past few months with a remarkable result, and our full market launch is just around the corner. And of course, our product innovation will never stop. Join the tech revolution and be part of our journey as we deliver our products globally.